So the next one, which is brilliant, kind of prep your body for aerial inverts as well, is when we're gonna go into a hood ornament. So you can hook one leg. If you can, kind of create a rotation. So I've got right knee, left arm. I pull, push, and I swing back, boom. So I pull myself into this hood ornament position, elbows on, arching the back and really squeeze the knee. From here I'm gonna go tuck, and then down, yeah? Now obviously it requires a bit more strength now, but again you need to feel that you're not leading from the momentum of the legs, you go tuck, yeah? So I'll show you again from here. So every moment I've got the arch, I'm gonna go tuck, tuck, yeah? Elbows in, don't let them go out, yeah? Need to engage the back, so elbows in, and you're gonna go tuck, yeah? Let's have a look.